struggling to pay your bills, then you need to listen to our next guest. We have author and debt relief attorney Kevin Heupel, who wrote the book Get Debt Free with Me. Today, Kevin is going to talk about your options for eliminating debt and how to rebuild your financial future. He is giving away 31 copies of his book and has a special offer for our viewers on how to solve your financial problems with zero money down. Thanks for being here, Kevin.
Yeah, thank you.
So tell us about how someone would know if they have a debt problem.
Well, there's always a couple of ways. There's the obvious, you're missing your payments, you just feel like you're struggling to pay your bills, you're getting collection calls, you're being sued, or your wages are being garnished. The not so obvious is the amount of debt you have to your income. If your unsecured debt's more than 20% of your income, you lose the ability to pay that off. So that means if you have $30,000 a year of income, and credit card debt more than $6,000, you lose the ability to pay it, and then you get what I call the cycle of debt. You make the minimum payment on the credit card only to turn around to use it to buy groceries and gas, and you have to do something to break the cycle.
Right. What solutions are available for someone who's struggling to pay their bills?
Well, if you have credit card problems, there's credit counseling. If you have a variety of debt that's been sold to collection agencies, you can do debt settlement. And then if you have even greater debt problems, you can look at bankruptcy as a solution.
Really? Well, what is the best solution for eliminating debt?
Well, it's always going to depend on the person's situation. What we do is we look at your income, your assets, your debts, and we find the best solution that's going to work for you. 8 out of 10 people are typically going to file bankruptcy, but the other 2 are going to look at credit counseling, debt settlement, or something else.
Really? I think that's a scary thing, is that filing bankruptcy, everybody thinks that you're going to lose everything. Is that true?
No, you don't. That's the good news. You're allowed to keep out your house, your car, your clothing, your jewelry, your furniture, and 100% of your retirement accounts. So don't take money out of your retirement to solve a debt problem until you come and talk to us first.
I think another fear also is that it's going to take 7 years to rebuild.
No, the reality is we offer a 7 steps to a 720 credit score. We help our clients rebuild their credit within 1 year.
That's awesome. Now, your firm has an A rating with the BBB.
Right.
You offer a money-back guarantee, 7 steps to a 720 credit score,
That's right.
and a free consultation. And people can call and schedule that right now.
Yeah, they can call the number on the screen. They can schedule a free consultation and start working on their debt problem right now.
That's great. Now, let's take a look at a client who had a great experience.
Okay.
I had lost a business and I was going through a divorce. Prior to coming to Heupel Law, I absolutely was stressing every day. I was worried. I was not sleeping. I was just always worried. And now that I've actually went through the whole process, I feel like a new person. Well, my primary expectations was really just to get a clean start. I needed a fresh start. I couldn't get on top of things, and I got that. If you're thinking about it, don't put it off for years. Just do it and get a fresh start.
Getting a fresh start is great, and
It
sleeping
is.
at night.
Oh, absolutely.
Can bankruptcy reduce or eliminate student loans?
It doesn't, but the good news is there are a lot of student loan programs out there. There's what we call income-based repayment options, where you repay 10 to 15% of your income. In this example here, we have a lawyer who had $140,000 of student loan debt. Her payments were almost $800 a month.
Wow.
We were able to lower them around $300. She's now saving $7,000 a year just based on income-based repayment programs. So if you have student loans, there's help out there.
That's great. So you can reduce student loans, your payment. And can you get forgiveness of debt?
You can. So when you're on these income-based repayment programs, after 10, 20, 25 years, you can eliminate what you don't pay. So if you're somebody who works for the government or a nonprofit, you make 10 years of payments, whatever's not paid off is forgiven.
That's great.